Hi, welcome to the video review channel of Airsoft Guns. Today I'm going to be looking at the new to our stock lines, the WE Browning Auto Blowback Gas Type. Oh, I love the Chinglish. Pretty self-explanatory of the gun. I love the thing on it. Please do not shoot human beings. Well, that's the game of airsoft, people. Obviously face protection, highly recommended. Yeah, so basic box, styrofoam down, instruction manual, black and white, self-explanatory. I love it when they put front side. Tells you how to break down the gun, exploded view. Yeah, I ain't reading that parts list because I can't understand half this stuff. Yeah, pretty basic, black and white, pretty self-explanatory, tells you how to fill the mag. Leave that up to the side there. Magazine, full metal, release valve, fill valve, full spring down, BB's in. Okay. And the gun. I'm going to get the hate. You don't know how to handle a gun. Well, duh, it's not loaded, okay? It's not a real gun. So stop writing the comments. There you go, look, I checked that. Yeah. Anyway, WE Browning. No, mag in. And then it works. Full metal construction. You get average 300 FPS with 0.2 gram BBs. Really nice gun. There's not a lot I can say about it. It's, as I said, full metal construction, adjustable hop up, which you have to remove the barrel for, which is relatively fiddly. Push the little nub out there, pull the bar out, turn the slide over, and you see a little wheel on it. Functions are on the left side, so for right hand operators it's on the left side of the gun. Safety, it's basically a little claw that hooks up into the slide, disallowing it to go back. Mag release, yet again left side, single sided, it's not ambidextrous. ABS grips, wood effect, quite nice. Little groove at the back here, I believe it's for accessory attachments and all that. Classic sight, can be adjusted for windage and well, elevation, not windage. Can lock the slide stay back in that position with the safety, so you can clean inside if need be, and you do have a slide stay there for when it's empty. Magazine, I'm just going to gas it up so you get a rough idea of the sound and the effect of the gun. Now, before anyone says it's not broken, it does lock back. I'm holding the slide stay down, which is that there. So we're empty. Yeah, pretty decent. It's I believe it's a 24 round mag, as most WEs are. Get gas out of that. Really nice gun. Complete any World War II sort of loadout sort of thing, or classic loadout. There you have it, the WE Browning and if you like what you see, click the link below, take you through to the site. Want to leave a comment below, feel free. Thanks again for watching, see you again soon.